Well, howdy. Welcome to the first episode of Cooking Stuff with Duck Fat. Ahi tuna. Normally it's seared with salt, pepper, and sesame seed oil. Today we're gonna make it the exact same way, except we're using DUCKCHAR Duck Fat. Season it with salt and pepper, then we're gonna cook it in a piping hot cast iron skillet with DUCKCHAR Duck Fat for 1 minute on each side, and then we're gonna dig in, try it out, and let you guys know how it tastes. It's fair to say that tuna is really nice tasting. It's so good that you can eat it raw with no seasonings. When you add DUCKCHAR Duck Fat into the mix, it adds this new, really rich layer of flavor on top of the tuna. I do love tuna cooked in sesame seed oil, but I think DUCKCHAR Duck Fat 1, sesame seed oil 0. If you guys have any comments or questions, be sure to comment below. If you want to learn more about how to use duck fat, we have recipes and plenty of information. That's it, that's all. We'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. It's really hot in here. Ugh, my throat. Somebody water me. All right. This is not the mineral water that we agreed to. The one you gave me is sparkling, but it's a different brand. It has a totally different flavor, totally different properties. Now you're making me look like the bad guy when you're the one who made the mistake. Let's get the right brand. Let's start everything over. I'll go back into makeup because I'm sweating now and I'm upset. My cortisol levels are rising and it's not gonna look natural.